Kabagtak. We are now on our something event. Mag-swimming lang siya. Traffic lang grabe. Tapos maulan na naman ang labas namin. Makulimlim. Ano ba ito? Gago. So silly. Another.
Where's the talking?
This one. I want.
No, that one. I'm gonna punch you right now. You called me like that. I'm gonna punch you right now. I'm gonna punch you.
Gi-record ko one. Where's the other one? Than this one. This is record or picture?
No, God, this is.
Nah, very short. This picture was?
Yeah, I'm gonna punch you right now.
Wow.
Hey, you eat me.
Don't eat me. Grabe ka ulan.
That's what you get for eating.
Patay akong ulo. Ako yan.
I eat your cat. I eat your cat.
Kaulanon kayo sa amo Ganina nag-ulan na karon lundong na. Malang magulan nila maglono po diba?
A bandit.
Hi baby Sharky.
Oh no, Maria, there's a bandit library. Okay, the bandit Maria.
Kay langit.
With a very good
Langit kayo siya.
free apple.
Langit kayo ni lamitin ka langit. Ikaw? April 30. Happy birthday Noah. Happy birthday lang. Grabe ka Lando. Super ganto. Gabi rin nag-ulan, undang ulan na saan. Tapos ano bilay?
Maria,
Naam.
why there's a house there?
I don't know.
If I go there, over there.
Thank you. Gawa. Gawa. Dos kilo. Claro. Ano ba yung kakita? Mas. Fee. Ah. What you're doing now?
First
We're going to make pancake.
No.
Okay, what's that?
We're making cupcakes today
Okay,
with this powder. First, we'll put this big old powder.
Bigol powder. What is the ingredients for that?
Look, Maria.
Read it.
I can't.
Basa. Listen me. Hey, shway. Uy, haras na bagid kay Miss ya.
Wait.
It's open and bishwesh.
A lot, Maria?
All.
Let's read Worcester. And more stuffing, more. Yeah. That's cool. Let's see.
And then, what is next? What is this one?
Now we need water.
Water. How much is the measure of the water?
4,
For what?
3, 4.
3/4. Okay, 3/4 water. Kasha ko.
I will do it, okay? Can I do the water step?
It's tani. Prepare the water.
Prepare the water.
Give me the cup and the giga. What is the next?
Oil.
Oil. That's not the cup. The giga. How much is the measure?
1 to 4.
1/4. Okay, 1/4 oil.
And
How
then
many
2
eggs?
eggs.
2 eggs. Okay, get the egg.
Okay, I'll get the egg.
Get the egg. I will get the oil and
Water.
water. Uy! Uy, ginuho ko kung dili lang gini siya bitaw makalingaw.
Egg.
Isapot na ko.
Egg.
Wato mi ng lakaw pero magluto mi.
Water first.
Giga oil 1 and 4, sa?
Stop.
Okay, 1 po. Mas tiro kay tani mga bana-bana o butang na.
And then we need the water.
Put it there.
Put the oil first.
Yeah, put it.
Or the whole thing. Whee! Well, look at our. Oh yeah, what I'm gonna put next?
Next is the water.
The water.
You put the water. Crack the egg.
Crack the eggs. Okay.
I'm scared for you if you want to crack the egg. I will be the one to crack the egg.
Wow, there's the eggs are swinging.
It's the ringing, yellow ringing.
Ah, you're gonna. That was yucky.
Mag-gym sila pag uli mga cupcake.
And then
Yay!
now
Marami kami.
Yeah, we're making delicious cupcakes.
Aray
I
ko.
know, I'll hit you with this.
Good.
Put the water right now.
Right now, no? Okay, 3-4. Don't touch it. Don't put all. Don't put all. Mix first.
I'll mix it
Kawa,
first.
kawa.
I'm mixing the eggs right now. Where the eggs are in the can?
Make it good. Go deeper.
Go faster.
Not faster. Yati. Lagot na.
Eggs is still so delicious.
Hey! Get the bitter there. Bitter, no? Whiskas. Madresh. Kung pala siya.
Mix it around, mix it around, mix it around.
Ang gigil ko. Namalansa ng tak ko. Namalansa ng
It's
tak
delicious,
ko.
man. And now we'll put the water.
Okay, half only.
Half will be that.
Okay? And then mix it.
And then again.
Mix it more.
More. And more.
And more. Dissolve the powder. Well, the powder is still there.
Okay.
Dissolve the powder. Take care.
You're getting all the powder out. Powder, come on. You have to run away. You have to run away from the delicious water. Okay.
Mag-pancake ni sa katugnaw sa kagabion.
There we go.
Kay mga pime.
Powder in there.
Lahi na Jod.
Okay, Maria, mix that all.
It's not done. You see? You want to see it? It's not done. It's not
Okay,
done.
Maria,
Powder is
you
still
make it
there.
all. I want you to make it all, okay?
You want to make it all, okay? You want to make it all, okay?
If it's not
Di mo po ganahan ang luyat nga binuhat. Uy,
if the cupcake be sticky or not together, sticky.
bastos. Di ko ganahan ang luyat nga binuhat. Mangita ang gahi. Time pa.
Okay, I'll just move my chair just a minute.
Atubang Jod siya. Para
My
mga...
chair here now. I'm gonna mix it.
Ilang ko sa'yo, open na mo kayo.
Not
It's
sticky.
hot.
Not sticky. Good job.
Good job. Yan.
Okay, cool.
Dili na mahuwa akong pangkaraw. Iyahan na kay luyat pa na. Ako kanina na kung ganahan ng pangkaraw kay
This
gahi.
is the whole thing, so this is
Para
what
mga-
makes it pancake.
Mga... Mga... Sana siya?
Muffins.
Basta.
All there.
Ang mga kilid-kilid, mga tilok na. Meron si Ben.
Done.
Keep lang done, not done.
Okay, Maria, you can do the rest, okay?
Okay, no.
Okay, Maria, do it in the camera.
It's my turn.
Now it is all done, the treatment.
Treatment. Saan siya?
Treatment of
Pinasyo?
the treatment of the
Siya na ipabasa ba? Di ba matsaka kung sa...
treatment of the
division ka ng
cupcakes.
slash bitaw? 1
Treatment.
and 4. Okay, magbulag na may aning luyat. Pili ko aning luyat. As I promise, mangita kong laib. Di kong taga luyat, kaya di ko maligaw.
What are you doing?
I don't like this, I tell you. I want this one. The other one. I want stronger. Stronger, you know? Wait lang.
Okay, what's happening?
This one I want.
Oh, Maria's liquid.
A liquid. It can dissolve anything and it can crush. Come on. Come on, come on.
Maria, get all the water out.
I don't want
okay?
the old. I don't na siya old. Bago na siya pero bumok na kayo
If
siya.
you have cupcake powder, and then you can make some cupcakes. But if you don't have, and then you have to buy from the Bagtak.
Understand? If you have a cupcake powder, then you can make cupcake, of course. If you don't have, then you buy. Gay.
From the
Ang palag na siya. Ang palag na siya. Kaya go, 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 go.
We're mixing to make it not sticky. What, Maria? Okay, I want to do the sixth one. Okay, the sixth one. Okay, ready for this. Okay.
Big.
I'm gonna do this one first.
No, the big. Make the big. Extra is this one. Pay for the big.
There we go. Maria, where is the cover first? Okay.
You see it.
I'm gonna make it, okay?
Okay, you do.
Okay, come on, little ones. Good, I have so much fun. Okay. Little ones, you're going to the big place. Okay, just let them there.
Galing, no? Nag-gym pa kayo.
Maria, look, they're not getting in.
Tagdadalawa-dalawa lang kayo. Diyos ko, ang calories na naman. Nagbilang pa ng calories, ano? Ang galing, ang galing. Ang galing. Make it one. No, don't make it double.
You can go monkeys. Okay, look at there's 3 left. Maria is done. The first one. You fold that up and I'm gonna do the extra. Okay, we need more. So
Enough. That's 12. How many cupcakes paper there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12.
Well, okay.
Now yeah, we need more so everyone can have a delicious cupcake.
We are depending on the measure of that. Just leave it the 12. When we will put, if it have extra.
Extra what?
Extra cupcake. Ah,
There's so many. Okay, Mary, there's
it's
so
not
many.
many. You know, start na natin itong oven.
Okay, Maria, and then
Lights on, lights off, camera, action. Okay. Next move is...
what?
Ano yung takot trabaho?
What you putting, Maria?
No, I will remove this one.
Why?
This is for the buharat, you know.
Maria, that's for sprinkles.
Sprinkles, but it's not for the sprinkles.
I want to put some sprinkles in there.
I don't have.
Okay, so everyone, hi, today we're making cupcakes. Yeah. Wacky, wacky, whack, 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 whack. Oh, Doug, what you want? Whack, 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 whack. You want cupcakes?
Come on.
Whack, whack, whack.
Go, move this one.
Whack.
I will put it down.
Okay, cat. Okay, Duck. Just dance with me. Wacky, wacky, whack, 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 wacky, whack, whack, whack. Okay, Duck, you're dancing.
It's done, go.
That's done. Now we have to buy
But I want space.
Wacky, wacky, whack, whack, whack,
Oy,
whack, whack. Okay.
I want space. Oh my God. Shutter is the choice. Woo! Shutter is the choice. Kailangan shutter.
Tom is the tool. Shatter is the tool.
You must be shutter.
Yeah,
Make a mess on the side of the paper cupcake. Woo!
Maria, it's okay. We have to get them down.
They will go down. Dun, 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 dun.
If they go down, I'm gonna give you.
Ay, ito anong buang mama.
Okay, Maria, if you don't swim in the 12 weeks, Maria, now I'm gonna get the video ready, okay?
Ang galing na niyang ano,
Galing na video.
level 5 na siya next week. Hopefully. What are you doing?
Looking for it.
I want you to sit there.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it to cook. Bring your chair. Gusto mo rin kayo siya. Baging na. Ang magulang na. Well. Iyo na yan. Ayoko niyan. Okay man gyapon pero dili ka na ako type. Oh, gay nahinay na ko kay ang batasan di masabtan. Iyang inahan baboy-baboyon niya tubag. Ganahan na. Kag namalit. Insultuhan ang inahan. Tubangan sa kasya. Kaya di man siya papalitog daghan. Kay parehas na maraming mga pigi. Kay papig bayak ning family. Di siya. Daghan na kay mga stretch marks nga kabata pa. Ako nag-stretch marks ako nanganak na ko. Normal. Punya. Kaya ako na kay siya. Ibang katre. Ay, hintaon. Hinahinayan ang pagkaon na nasuko. Siya daw mabayad. Kinsa lang kata siya kwarta. Basi no, si Kuan. Mga chitong. Hilasan ko. Ako mo hilasan. Ay, ginawa ko ganinaw. Gusto mag-exercise. Kaya wala daw siya sa nina. Unsaw siya sa nina. Unsaw siya. Kadagan yung isang manina. Nangaguba ng ganin ng aparador niya kay nasubrahan nas kabugat siya mga saninas kadagan. Yung reklamo ko sa nina. Ilumbi. Nandili na. Ignore na ko siya. Kaya kung imo siyang pansinon, abusaran ka. Abusaran. Ako, sige siya papansin, kaya nagdalag tuga. Magtuga na sila. Mag-graduate na rin siya. Ipag-graduate siya. Kaya mo kayo mag-graduate, klaro B na. Agit ang-dubli B. Nakan ni lugar. Unsa na, dili na pang patambok lugar ni. Kiat mo, gasayang-sayang mo sa inyong kwarta. Ako mukhaon jud ko kay wala ni sa amo pobre mi. Adto na ko manihon sa amo. Mabot ko Pilipinas, tulo pa ka bulan, niwang na ko. Niwang ba ko? Chubby. Pero dali ra kay na i-follow up dire. Isa ra kasi mana, dako na dayon. Daghan gud kaon dire. Abunda man. Sa ato kay hadlok man ta. Kapoy ning pobre bay. Kapoy. Kapoy ning pobre. Pag makauli gusto na mo balik dayon, di pa ma-treasure ang moment sa paglaglaag kay. Una may pato dito ta balik na ta kay ang sweldo na dito. Kana dayon siya. Karon pa ni uli gusto mo balik na dayon pagka ugma. Isudoy. Dini ang mga manok dula-dulaan nagluto. Dito ginoo ko pati himbis. Hindi na lang kaunon. Ana siya kapobre me. My God. Saan naman pa doon? Pag-abuti na ito mga unahin mo. Nagpagutom na ba ito? Nagpagutom na sila. Nagpagutom lang sila. Ay, off na ako. Tama na to. Manglili ta. Hapit ang maman. 9 minutes na. Luto na. Tao na mi. Mag-una mi. Siyempre kami naghimo. Hiwi siya bahala na basta kayo naluto na mga ano eh.